loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video is going to be a review of the Louis Vuitton key pouch. And if this is something you're interested in, just keep watching. So this is the Louis Vuitton key pouch, and I have it in the Monogram print. It also comes in several other prints, them in leather as well. I'll make sure to insert all the different choices that they now come in. The product code for the one that I have is M62650. So I recently got this in February, so this is 6 months old, so this will be like a 6 months review. And so far I absolutely love this, and it was like very hard for me to buy this because I was just so torn between this and the card holder, and I just couldn't figure out which one I wanted to, you know, start off with, because this is also like my first small Louis Vuitton piece. But y'all, I'ma just say that I wish I would have gotten this a long time ago. You definitely get your cost per use for sure out of this. Like, I use it every single day, and I didn't realize how convenient it is. And also because you can like attach it to your keys. I never lose my keys, and I'm one of those people, I'm so guilty of never knowing where my keys are, because it's just like my car key and like my house key, and that's it. It's not like I have like a lot of things on there, so it's so easy for it to get misplaced. But since I can like hook this onto my keys, I never lose my keys. And it's just so convenient to just be able to, like, you know, just grab this, grab your keys, and all your cards or, you know, important stuff could fit inside of here. And I would say I counted my cards, and including my cards, gift cards, my license, and just like random other cards that I have, like my AAA card. I can fit I think it was 12 cards comfortably in here, and I could zip it easily. I wasn't struggling to zip it, like I could fit all 12. And the inside of here is like kind of like a brown color, like a light brown. I don't know if you guys could see it on the camera, but yeah, y'all, I absolutely love this so much. The only con about this that I can find is that if you have like 10 or more cards in here, honestly 5 or more cards inside of here, it will take you a while to find it, where with the if you had the card case, you could just easily, like, you know, look for it very quickly and pull out the card. Once I see that I'm getting close to the register, I'm like, okay, let me hurry up and look for my card, because I'm like, oh, the cashier is gonna be waiting me forever for me to hurry up and like find my card, because there's like a gajillion in here. So that's like the only bad thing. Like, if you're like me and sometimes, you know, you should be more minimum, but you can kind of have a lot of stuff in there, then yeah, this may not be for you. And you can also just use it to keep your keys. Like, if you do hook your keys on here, you can easily just put your keys on here and keep them in here as well. And also, I'm starting to see why people have like the 6 key ring holder, because I've noticed that I'm starting to get like a lot of scratches like on my phone, and like and even like on some of my purses. So I'm like, okay, I see why people have, like, you know, the key pouch to protect your keys from damaging anything. You wanted the 6 key holder, but you also wanted something to keep your cards. This is kind of like the best of both worlds, because you can keep your keys in here and maybe like 1 or 2 cards in here to protect everything. And also, something that you guys may not know is that you can also use this like as a cute bag accessory. So I'm going to show you guys 2 bags and show you guys how it would look if you had used this as a bag accessory. So the first purse that I have is the Nano Speedy, and I'm going to show you guys how, you know, you can like hook it onto your purse and have like a cute little bag charm. So let's see. So you can just open it and you just slide it onto the hook. And now you have like a cute little bag charm. So I think that's cute as well. And this is also could be convenient, like if you want to grab, you know, your card really fast, or if you just want it for just an accessory. So it doesn't even have to be useful, but you just want like a cute bag charm look. So this is how it looks on the Nano Speedy. So now I'm going to show you guys on my Nervaful, like how it looks on the Nervaful. I think this is so cute and practical, and you definitely get your cost per use out of it. And it's a cute little bag accessory, you know, perfect. So all in all, I would definitely recommend the key pouch. I think you will definitely use it every single day like I do. And if you guys are new to my channel, if you watch my other videos, you'll see that I love things that I can use in multiple different ways, and this is like a great example of how you can use this in a lot of different ways, just depending on your needs. And I also going to give you guys all the dimensions to the key pouch. The dimensions on the key pouch are 4.7 by 2.8 by 0.4 inches. So if you guys also want to know about more of the product details, the key pouch also is in Monogram Koi canvas. It has green cowhide leather lining. It has gold color hardware, the zip closure, the key ring, and the chain with the hook. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am doing a special thing where I'm going to post every day this week, because this was my birthday month, if you guys didn't know, and I want to kind of do like a mini like vlogmas kind of thing. So I'm posting every day until the end of this month. So see you guys tomorrow.